I'm gonna eat this.
You ate your cotton ball. Get a reward. What do you want?
No, it's like a bleeding break.
Bleeding break.
I saw one. I didn't know
There's
that
yellow.
there's one. I think I like the red one because it matches my blood. Ah.
What you call that? Blood break?
Do every kid cry after injection?
Of course.
Really? That's weird.
Only that?
Yeah. But why is that? Why is that kids get crisis after
Injection?
having injection?
That's what the nurse said. To stop them from crying. Stop you from crying.
I'm gonna eat this.
You ate your cotton ball from your injection.
It's a friend. Wait, is the white polar bear the one that is the color of the candy?
Yeah, but it has pink, right?
Prank.
Oh, you like that? Prank.
It's a prank. Prank.
Prank.
Prank.
Prank?
This
Is that the
is a
cotton
piece of
you
cotton.
used? Cotton ball. Oh no, you ate your cotton ball from your injection. Yikes. You're a cotton ball eater. It's no another cotton. Is it with blood?
When I'm a grown up,
Uh-uh.
I think from now on I'll call these sugar clouds.
You can make your own brand and name it Sugar Cloud. Oh, there's some more vitamin A. No more na pala.
What is this anyway?
See, it's done. The injection is done. Ano, baby?
This looks like a ketchup bottle.
Yeah.
I think this could be for my dog. It feels like I'm eating real cotton. Who invented it?
A dentist? A dentist wants you to have rotten teeth, so you will go to them.
And it doesn't need chewing. It needs the way.
And then bite it.
Ano pang maging damage to it? You know? It's like other
Mahulog pa yung bukas. What does it taste like?
Uy,